Most women spend decades collecting clothes, trying to figure out what works, what flatters, what feels right. And by the time they finally start getting it, someone tells them to dress their age. At 77, the women who look the most put together are not the ones with the most clothes. They are the ones who finally stop being afraid to wear less and mean more. Here's what nobody talks about. A smaller wardrobe, built with real intention, will do more for your confidence and your style than a closet packed with things that almost work. And today we are going to walk through exactly what that looks like, piece by piece. If you have ever stood in front of a full closet and felt like you had absolutely nothing to wear, stay with me. Because everything we cover today is going to shift the way you see your wardrobe completely. Welcome back to Aging with Elegance. If you are new here, so glad you found us. This channel is built for women who refuse to disappear. Women stepping into their 60s, 70s and beyond with confidence, clarity and their style fully intact. And if you have been here before, welcome home. Before we get into it, if something in this video speaks to you, drop it in the comments. And if you are not subscribed yet, hit that button now so you never miss what we share here. Now let us get into it. Section 1. Why the wardrobe feels overwhelming in the first place. Picture this. A wardrobe so full you can barely push the hangers apart, and yet every morning feels like a struggle. Blouses kept just in case. Trousers that almost fit. For shades of beige because somewhere along the way beige started feeling safe. Safe is not style. Safe is just comfortable confusion. What most women at this stage of life are dealing with is not a lack of clothes. It is an excess of unresolved decisions. Every piece that does not fit properly, does not feel good, or no longer reflects who you are today is quietly draining your energy every single morning before the day even begins. The women who always look elegant and put together are not shopping more. They are choosing better. And that shift from quantity to quality of choice is exactly where style at 77 begins. Section 2. What actually happens when you own less? Here is something worth sitting with. When a wardrobe is stripped back to only what genuinely works, getting dressed stops being a chore and starts feeling like an expression. You open the wardrobe and everything fits. Everything feels right. Every combination works because it was built to work. There is no hunting through things you never wear to get to the things you love. You reach in, choose with confidence, and you are done in minutes. That ease is not a coincidence. That is what clarity looks like. And the energy saved on those mornings, the quiet confidence you feel when you look in the mirror before leaving the house, it accumulates. It changes how you move through your day. Changes how you feel when you walk into a room. This is not vanity. This is how a woman shows up for herself. Section 3. The pieces that do the heavy lifting. Now let us talk about what actually belongs in a wardrobe at this stage. Because this is not about owning nothing. It is about owning the right things. A clean lined shirt. Not a fussy blouse with buttons that are difficult on an early morning. A proper clean-lined shirt, white, cream, or soft chambray blue. Slightly relaxed through the body, long enough to wear tucked or out, with a collar that frames the face beautifully. This one piece works with trousers, skirts, under a blazer, or over a simple tank on a warm day. It is not boring. It is a foundation. And the women who always look effortlessly chic almost always start here. Trousers that actually fit today, not the ones being saved to alter, not the ones that are almost right, the ones that fit the body you are in today. A well-fitting trouser that sits at the right place on the waist, moves gently over the hips, and breaks cleanly above the shoe will do more for a silhouette than any shapewear ever invented. A straight or slightly wide leg works beautifully at this stage. It lengthens the leg and creates that polished, intentional look that reads as effortless, even when real thought went into it. One blazer that multiplies everything. If there is one thing worth adding to the wardrobe this year, it is a blazer that fits perfectly across the shoulders. The shoulders are everything. Everything else can be tailored for very little. The shoulders cannot. Choose a neutral. Camel, navy, soft gray, or warm ivory. Worn over a shirt and trousers, it is a complete outfit. Thrown over a simple dress, it becomes something else entirely. Draped over the shoulders above a blouse, it looks intentional and fashion-forward without any effort at all. One dress that needs nothing extra. One dress that you can walk out the door in without needing to build an outfit around it. A shirt dress, a wrap dress, or a simple A-line in a color or print that genuinely brings joy. Not what feels appropriate. What actually feels right. That dress should make you feel the way you want to feel when someone sees you across a room. That is the only measuring stick that matters. Shoes that respect real life. Shoes that hurt are not stylish. They are a silent compromise made against your own comfort, and nobody looking at you knows what it cost. A low-block heel, a quality leather loafer, a clean white sneaker worn with intention, a simple mule in a neutral tone. These are not concessions to age. They are decisions made by a woman who has worked out that comfort and elegance were never opposites. They were always meant to go together. Let us pause here for just a moment. If something is clicking for you right now, if you are thinking about that one piece in your own wardrobe that you reach for every single time because it just works, drop it in the comments below. Tell us what that piece is. A blazer? A particular color? A pair of trousers you found years ago and simply cannot let go of? The best style conversations in this community often come from you. So share it down there. And if you have not liked this video yet, go ahead and do that now. It genuinely helps more women find this content. And that is what this channel is all about. Section 4. Color without playing it invisible. Color is where most women either play it far too safe or lose the plot entirely. The pull toward neutrals makes sense. They are easy. They mix well. But a wardrobe that is nothing but gray and beige is not playing it safe. It is playing it invisible. Here is a more useful way to think about it. Build around 2 or 3 neutrals that genuinely work with your skin tone. Not a general rule. Your skin tone specifically. Then bring in 1 or 2 colors that make your face glow when you stand in front of the mirror. For many women at this stage, those colors are softer versions of what they used to wear. Dusty rose instead of hot pink. Sage instead of emerald. Warm camel instead of mustard. But for some women, the answer is actually bolder than they have been allowing themselves. And discovering that is one of the most exciting moments in this whole process. The rule is simple. Do not pick colors based on what feels appropriate for your age. Pick them based on what happens to your face when you put them on. The mirror will always tell the truth. Section 5. Accessories that elevate without cluttering. Accessories are not the finishing touches. They are the punctuation. They are what turn a simple sentence into a statement. But more is rarely better. One considered piece almost always reads as more sophisticated than several layered pieces competing for attention. Earrings first. The face is what people look at when they speak to you. A pair of earrings that sit close to the face, a small gold hoop, a simple pearl drop, a subtle sculptural stud, draws the eye upward and frames everything beautifully. Strong earrings mean you do not need a necklace. You do not need a bracelet. Just earrings that feel right. One bag that goes everywhere. Structured. Medium-sized. A color that works with most of what is already in the wardrobe. You already know the bag being described because most women have a version of it somewhere at home. Find it. Use it. Stop saving it for occasions that may never arrive. A belt that anchors the look. Not to dramatically cinch the waist, but to create a visual anchor. A thin leather belt in cognac or black worn over a shirt dress. or with trousers gives any outfit a finished quality that reads as completely intentional. It is one of the simplest ways to look pulled together even on the mornings when very little effort went in. Section 6. Letting go without guilt. This is the part where most women get stuck, and it deserves a real conversation. There is a version of every woman in every piece of clothing she holds onto. The blazer from a job she loved. The dress she wore on a trip she still thinks about. The jeans from a decade ago that remind her of feeling a certain way. Letting go of those pieces does not erase those memories. The memories live in the woman, not in the fabric. What is really happening when women hold on to pieces that no longer serve them is a reluctance to release a past version of themselves. And that is completely understandable. But here is the truth. You do not need to hold on to who you were to honor her. You honor her by becoming the next version. The sharper, clearer, more intentional version who knows exactly who she is and dresses like it. A wardrobe that reflects who you are today, not who you were, is one of the most quietly powerful things any woman can give herself. Section 7. The mindset that makes it all work. Style at 77 is not about looking younger. Let us be clear about that. It is about looking like yourself, fully and completely like yourself. And that intention, that clarity is what people respond to. When they stop a woman on the street to ask what she is wearing, they are almost never responding to the outfit. They are responding to the feeling behind it. Women who dress with real intention are not trying to impress anyone. They are simply unwilling to disappear. And that refusal, that quiet insistence on being seen, is what makes them unforgettable. When every piece in the wardrobe earns its place, when you stop filling space and start making considered choices, that is when style becomes something nobody can take from you. Not time, not trends, not anyone's opinion about what a woman your age should look like. Decades have gone into building a life worth living. The wardrobe should reflect that. If this video gave you even one idea, one small shift in how you think about getting dressed, leave a comment below and tell us where you are in this journey. Are you just starting to think about editing your wardrobe? Have you already made the shift? Or are you somewhere in the middle, not quite ready to let go yet? Whatever your answer, you belong here. If you are not subscribed yet, please do that now. We share something new every week, and this community grows stronger with every woman who joins it. We will see you in the next video. Until then, keep choosing yourself.